Hello everyone, I'm Chandan Soni. In this video, we will learn to construct a regular octagon with side 5 cm and internal angle of 135 degree. 5 cm side, internal angle 135 degree. Now what's an octagon? A polygon with 8 sides. What's a regular octagon? Octagon with all the equal sides. So 8 equal sides. A polygon with 8 equal sides will be called as a regular octagon. Regular means all the sides equal. Let's start. First of all, we'll draw first line segment or the base of length 3 centimeter. So first line segment is been drawn. Now for the second segment, what you're going to do, you're going to place a protractor this way. Okay. Place it such a way that this point and this point should coincide. Start counting from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 and 135 over here. Okay. Place the ruler such a way that these 2 points should lie on the ruler, and also it should be easy to count 3 centimeter from this point. So if I start at 8, then I have to stop at 5. See, you have to take care of this also of this point. So start at 8, stop at 5, and your second line segment is drawn. This angle is 135 degree. Now repeat this procedure until we get all the 8 sides. You can do this anti-clockwise, or you can do it clockwise, or you can do it anti-clockwise, or you can do one by one on the left, one on the right, one on the left, one on the right. It's up to you. Okay, repeat the same thing over here. Place a protractor. Start counting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 120, 130 and 135 over here. Place the ruler so that these 2 points should be on the same line. Okay, and also it should be easy for me to count 3 centimeter from here. If I start at 7, I'll stop at 4. So we are done. This 3 centimeter, this is 135 degree. So far we have got how many sides? 1, 2, 3 sides. Repeat the same thing even at this point. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 and 135 is over here. Place the ruler. This should be on the ruler and it should be easy for you to count. If this is this way, please adjust, okay, so that counting becomes easy for you. If this is at 9 and if I draw a line segment, I have to stop at 6. So this is 3 centimeter. This angle is 135 degree. Again, follow the same thing and repeat. Place the protractor over here. Start counting from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 and 135. Place the ruler over here. Okay. Adjust it such a way that the counting of 3 centimeter becomes easy for you, and these 2 points should lie on the ruler. So from 8, if I start, I have to stop at 5. Okay. Place the protractor over here. Repeat the same thing. You need to be patient for such constructions, okay, because the chances of error increases as the number of sides and angle increases. Start from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 and 135 over here. Place the ruler over here. Now on this side it becomes easy because we will start from 0. Okay, so 0 to 3. So this is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 135 degree, 135 degree. Okay, repeat this over here. Place the protractor. Start counting from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135 is over here. Place the ruler. Okay. When you start from 0, stop at 3. This is 135. So we have got 7 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the 8th one, you can just join it. Okay. So this segment will be 3 centimeter and this angle will be 135. Okay. So we have drawn a regular octagon. Okay. Same thing, same method can be done for a regular hexagon. You can do the same thing for a pentagon, heptagon, or any polygon, but it has to be a regular polygon. Please watch the video twice or thrice before you begin with the construction. Pause the video in between whenever needed and follow step-by-step instructions. And please be patient while such constructions are going on. Okay? So you can draw this octagon and you can try drawing a hexagon or a pentagon. Thank you.